if and y'alls remember, I got another one of these at my place there in Lake Stevens. And I pulled them off to prep them and clean them. And one of them's been all welded up right along the seam here. So it's garbage. The other one is good, but I'm going to pull these two off, prep them, clean them, paint them, so that we can put them on the frame that's behind me that we will eventually be putting this body on. Let me grab a board to kneel on here. Been kneeling on rocks all afternoon. So, rated. Oh, it's Little Miss. I was wondering when you were going to come by. Make your appearance, huh? Yeah. Oh, hi, how you doing? Haven't seen you in weeks. Yeah. Yeah. This is the neighbor's pit bull. She comes by and visits. Well, that's stopping the car from rolling. So, what we need to do is get a wrench in there to grab the inside. That angle's not going to work. This may be too long. Unless I come in, can't go in from that side. This one work? Problem is you can't see inside there. And with the steering gearbox in the way, it's going to be a bit of a problem. If I come in that hole, I just have to try hitting it on the edge. Hopefully I don't break a wrist or something. Is that it? Maybe? Let's try, see what happens. Ooh, look at that. Now, okay, where'd the bolt go? Right there. I think I dropped it. Or is that it? Is that it? It is. Sweet. We got it. First one. So, for my next trick, I already got these off on the other car. It was not fun. Are you bored? Huh? Nobody to play with this weekend? Huh? Oh, oh, oh. Want me to throw it for you? You gotta drop it. You gotta put it on the ground. You really gotta leave it alone. Back out. Back. Good girl. Look at it. Yeah, I'll probably lay down and she'll drop it on my you-know-what's when I'm here. I wonder if I lift the front end of the car a little bit. That'll get the suspension to relax and I can get in there a little better. Or can I get to the far side? Bolt. Oop, am I on it? Am I on it? Could it be that easy? By golly, it was. Ow. pull. Oh, 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 look at that. Whoo! We got her. We got her. So I'm saving this hardware, but I'm going to go to the hardware store and buy all brand new. Okay, next up, we have to fish around. Let's see if we can get that one. So I did cheat. There, wind mount. I sprayed these all before. There's the washer. I don't know, we're going to get new ones anyway, so. Yeah, he's been all hit with PB Blaster. They've been soaking all afternoon. I squished a snail over here, poor little guy. Sorry. So, let's put him out of his misery. Alrighty. One greasy, grimy mount with spider leavings inside. I don't think it matters left or right. I think they're pretty much universal fit. So, I don't have the same access port as it did on the other side. Probably because there's no gearbox there. Let's see if we can get this bottom one started to spin. Yeah, we got that one. Dropped somewhere. And let's go with the open end here. I think that's it. Different. You know what? If I can get my extension in there with my breaker bar. Something there. All right, track apparently. Get that one out with the big washer. One more to go. One more to go. What have I got for access? So, it's got to be right about in there. You know, that was almost too easy. Sweet. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I got bolts to go shopping for tomorrow, or in the very near future. I'm missing one, but skin off my nose. Did I pull all 6 of them? I know we dropped one washer. No, it went inside, didn't it? It's in there somewhere. Not gonna worry about it. I think this frame's gonna be cut up for bits and pieces for possibly for the other car anyway, so. Alrighty. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.